As an elementary teacher, it can be challenging to differentiate curriculum for students at different levels, especially when you're working with gifted students. One tool that can help is called Splashlearn, which offers a variety of curriculum options for math practice. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Splashlearn to differentiate curriculum for gifted students, but also for all students in your classroom. First, you'll need to create a Splashlearn account by going to splashlearn.com and clicking on Teachers Sign Up for Free. Once you've filled in your school information, in this area here, you can create a class and choose the grade level of your students. However, it's important to note that Splashlearn offers two different options for students: math, fact, practice, and assigned curriculum, and it only goes up to 5th grade. We have had great success with our students using Splashlearn. We just got started and they are loving it. I'm asking them, give me a thumbs up if you love it, thumbs down if not so much, thumbs to the side if it's okay. And I'm getting thumbs up all around. I'm getting a quiet class who are excited about learning and really want to be part of this. There's a high level of motivation. If you want to use Splashlearn for math, fact, practice, you can assign your students specific skills to practice, such as adding 1, adding 7, subtracting 4. You would do that for your primary kids, and this can help them hone in on areas they may struggle with, or you can give them additional challenge beyond their grade level curriculum, and you can do that in assigning facts. So you can do this area right here, assigning facts. It's new fact practice, and I like to use this adaptive practice right here to build the best fluency. I can go in and I can choose students that need practice, and I can choose multiplication and division or addition and subtraction, and I can choose the days of the week and the number of questions that I would like for those students, and I can assign and unassign. It's quite simple for me to do as a teacher on my end. On the flip side, if you want to use Splashlearn for assigned curriculum, you can choose the grade level that's appropriate for your gifted child's skills. So for instance, if you're teaching 3rd grade math, but you have a gifted child who's working at the 5th grade level, you could assign them 5th grade curriculum within Splashlearn to provide them with that more advanced challenge. Alternatively, you could assign them a combination of 4th and 5th grade curriculum to provide that balanced review and challenge that they need. You do that by going to Assign Curriculum, New Assignment, and this is curriculum for 5th grade, so you can see all the content groups that we learned for 5th grade, and you simply go over to the right-hand side and press Assign, and once you do that, you can assign it to your whole class, which just takes a moment, or you can open it up and assign it to specific students by clicking their name, and boom, it's assigned and they're ready to go. Additionally, Splashlearn offers a challenge zone. Let me show you where the challenge zone is. Now I'm in my student view. This is the assignments that are from the teacher. This is their learning path, and this is just the 5th grade learning path that they're going through. I'm going to come down here to Math Games, and then once I'm inside of Math Games, I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom, and there's some expert games here, House of Light, and there's a pending activity from the teacher, so this student's not able to go into this until their assignment is done from their teacher, which are those daily practice questions I shared earlier. Every day students in our class need to do 10 problems in multiplication and division in order to move on. For these gifted kids, it's really quick and easy. For other kids, it's just that fluency practice that will help them. But they can go in and they can play House of Light with kids globally, all over the United States. They can challenge students in their classroom to different games. A popular one that they've been doing lately is the Stranded game. But there's all sorts of games that they can use here inside of learning games. And this is where they practice their math facts, and then all the topics in 5th grade can be found over here. So again, this is called splashlearn.com. It's free to teachers, and there is a cost to parents. So the after school hours with limited access are Monday through Friday from 3 p.m. to 7 a.m. So that's when kids have to use to pay it, but they have to pay to use it, but they do not need to pay if their teacher has assigned them a learning path. So if they have a learning path assigned to them, they don't need to pay for it in those after school hours. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you and your class enjoy Splashlearn.